Ever wonder why your coffee tastes different every single morning, even when you use the same beans and same method? The secret isn't your brewing technique or your expensive equipment, it's measurement precision, and most coffee lovers are getting this completely wrong. Here's the shocking truth. Eyeballing your coffee grounds can throw off your brew ratio by up to 40%. That's the difference between a perfect cup and something that tastes like bitter disappointment or weak water. Professional baristas never guess measurements, and neither should you. A quality coffee scale transforms your brewing from guesswork into science. Look for scales with 0.1 gram precision, built-in timers, and water-resistant surfaces. The timer feature is crucial because extraction timing affects flavor intensity dramatically. You want something that responds quickly to weight changes without lag. Price doesn't always equal quality here. Some $20 scales outperform $100 models in accuracy and durability. The key specifications are response time under 1 second, capacity of at least 2,000 grams, and auto-tear functionality to zero out your container weight instantly. Pour-over enthusiasts need scales that handle both coffee grounds and water weight simultaneously while timing your pour. For espresso lovers, compact scales that fit under portafilters with shot timers are essential. French press users benefit from larger platforms accommodating bigger vessels. Battery life matters more than you think. Nothing ruins morning coffee ritual like dead-scale batteries. Look for models with auto shutoff features and long battery life ratings. Some premium options offer rechargeable batteries or AC adapters for consistent power. The difference between good coffee and exceptional coffee often comes down to consistency. Professional grade scales eliminate variables that sabotage your perfect cup. Your taste buds will immediately notice the improvement once you start measuring precisely instead of guessing portions. Stop settling for inconsistent coffee when precision tools can solve this problem today. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 Coffee Lover.